In this video, I will show you how to change USDT to TRX in Trust Wallet. Locate and open the Trust Wallet app on your mobile device. Tap on Swap to start the swapping process. In the first option, choose USDT, and in the second option, select TRX. Input the amount you want to swap. For example, you might enter 5 USDT, which would yield 0.75 TRX. If you don't have USDT in your Trust Wallet, you won't be able to complete the swap. Ensure you have the necessary currency. If the currencies you want to swap aren't available, tap on Browser. Type pancakeswap.finance in the search bar and navigate to the website. On the PancakeSwap website, tap on Connect Wallet and select Trust Wallet. Once connected, tap on Trade Now to begin the swapping process. Switch from BNB to USDT and from Cake to TRX. Enter the amount of USDT you want to convert to TRX. Once you have entered the necessary details, the swap will be executed, converting USDT to TRX in your Trust Wallet. Check out the link given in the description to create your account on Trust Wallet. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.